So what we're doing now is we're looking at what happens when we divide things. So we've got two examples here that we'll go through, and this has to do with the second law of the law of division. So remember, if we've got two bases that are the same and we're dividing those two bases, we always subtract the powers. So over here, we've got 18r to the power of 6, 3r to the power of 3. The bases are the same, we're dividing, so we're going to subtract our bases. And just like with multiplication, we work with the numbers regardless of whatever it is. So 18 divided by 3, that's what we'll be doing. So let's have a look. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. And then we've got just r as our per-numeral. So r, 6 minus 2 gives us 4. So that's what we end up with there. Likewise, over here, so it's going to be a little bit more work. So work with the top line. If we ever have anything like this where we've got some terms on top, terms on bottom, we simplify the top first, the bottom first, and then we do the maths. What do we have to do? So here what we're going to do is we're going to simplify the top as much as we can. M and N, they're different bases, or different pronumerals. So the 12 and the 7 here, the powers are irrelevant. But 25 and 4, we're multiplying those, so we can do that first. So 25 times 4 is 100. And then we're going to say M to the power of 12 times n to the power of 7. Now we're going to leave that as it is. And check the bottom. We've got an m and an n. Can't do anything there, so it's m to the power, it's an n to n. But what we do have to do, let's put a 1 there just to make life easy for ourselves. So now that we've got that happening, once again, we can't do anything with the m squared and the n to the power of 1, so we're just going to leave those as they are. But we can multiply the 15 and the 8. So 15 times 8, that's 10 times 8 plus 5 times 8. So 10 times 8 is 80. 5 times 8 is 40, so we're at 120. So 120 m to the power of 2 times n to the power of 1. So from there, what is 100 over 120? Well, we know that's 10 over 12. And then what we've got is m. Now we can work with our variables here. So m and n. So if we're dividing the same base, we take away the power. So it's m to the power of 10, because 12 minus 2 is 10. And then we'll have n. So put a times in there. n, 7 minus 1, we end up with 6. And then we've got to simplify even further. 10 over 12 simplifies to 5 over 6. And we'll have m to the power of 10 times n to the power of 6. And we can even write this a slightly different way. I'm going to write it over here. We'll put that as being 5m to the power of 10 n to the power of 6 over 6. That's the other way we can write that. We will never put this here at the bottom next to the 6. It does not work. You cannot do that. You can, if you want, you can rewrite it as that thing there. You can't do anything, can't do any division or anything like that with that base, also with that number here. That 5 completely got nothing to do with any of those. All you can do is apply index laws and apply normal arithmetic laws.